Alms Park's overlook offers a stunning setting for family photography, renowned for its sweeping views of the Ohio River and the distant Kentucky hills. Perched high above the landscape, this location provides a dramatic backdrop that enhances every portrait. The open vistas and natural beauty make it a favorite spot for capturing meaningful family moments, especially as the light shifts throughout the day. As you arrange your family on the bluff, consider how their placement can complement the scenery. Encourage everyone to relax and interact naturally, which brings out genuine expressions. By varying heights and spacing, you create a harmonious composition where the landscape frames your family without overwhelming the scene. This thoughtful arrangement prepares you for the next step, using camera techniques to highlight your subjects. To ensure your family stands out against the breathtaking backdrop, select a wide aperture, like f2.8 or f4, to achieve a shallow depth of field. This approach keeps your loved ones crisp and clear, while softly blurring the distant hills, emphasizing depth and focus. Position your group away from the background and focus directly on them. A longer focal length lens can further enhance the background blur, making the connection between family members the centerpiece of your portrait. Timing your session for golden hour, just after sunrise or before sunset, will bathe your family and the landscape in warm, gentle light. This soft illumination flatters skin tones and minimizes harsh shadows, creating an inviting atmosphere. The golden hues enrich every image, adding depth and warmth as the day transitions into evening, ensuring your portraits feel both vibrant and memorable. To make the most of your camera at the overlook, start with a low ISO setting, such as 100 or 200, for crisp, noise-free photos. Combine this with a wide aperture to maintain background blur and subject clarity. A zoom lens offers flexibility and close-ups. Arrange your family so the backdrop is visible. Use the rule of thirds for dynamic framing. Shooting during golden hour enhances the soft light, while encouraging natural interactions ensures authentic expressions. Capture several images to find the best moments before moving on to candid shots. To truly capture your family's spirit at Alms Park, shift your focus to candid moments. Let children play and explore the lawns or take in the overlook views, and experiment with different vantage points and lighting throughout the day. Incorporate the park's unique architecture and lush greenery to add variety to your images. By encouraging laughter and spontaneous interactions, you'll create lasting memories that showcase the genuine connections within your family, all set against the park's beautiful backdrop.